Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Raptor trading system. However, before I talk about the Raptor trading system, what I want to talk to you real quick about is diversified trading systems, or DTS as we like to call it here at Indicator Warehouse. In order to understand the benefits and the advantages of using Raptor, we need to first understand the technology that lies behind Raptor before we get into that. So let's go ahead and then let's get started. What you're looking at in front of you now is Diversified Trading Systems, DTS as we call it. And I need you guys to really understand exactly where I am coming from with DTS before we proceed on to the Raptor. Before I even get into DTS, what I want to tell you is that Raptor brings all the DTS data together in one intuitive interface. With the Raptor, it's going to be easy to see all the trading information that you care about in one place and use it to make a much faster, more informed trading decision. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at trading as, maybe we'll call it a hobby, a sport, or a profession. Now, you always need a starting point. For the last 3 years, we've been selling a sophisticated day trading solution called DTS, and if you're looking for a high-end trading solution using individual components designed with precision and extreme accuracy, then of course what you've got in front of you here, the Master Trader package, this might be the particular software package for you. Now, not everybody is ready to be a professional golfer, a professional pilot, or even maybe a professional race car driver. For many individuals, starting out with entry-level tools is both cost-effective as well as more realistic in regards to their trading career. The Raptor is going to provide an on-the-fly analytical capability via filters and alerts, just like DTS, which is what I'm showing you right here. However, what we've done is we've designed it to take all the power of diversified trading systems and seamlessly integrate it into one easy-to-use dashboard trading solution. The chart that you see here over on my left, this is my Eagle Trend Trader. This is what we refer to as the cornerstone chart for trading. All the decisions that we make, regardless of whether it is on our Eagle, our Falcon, or our Hawk, our first place that we are going to look is here at the Eagle Trend Trader. Let me give you an example. We're currently looking at the NQ1214 contract for September 16th of 2014. Very obvious to see just from looking at price and bars alone that is obviously going to be an uptrending day. However, one of the things I look for to determine of whether or not I am in an uptrend is where is price located in relation to my Eagle band, which is this guy right here. I want to see price up above this slate blue line, and ideally I'd like to see it above my soft edge, which we see right here. The next thing that I want to discuss is some of the more powerful signals that are available through DTS, and that is with the Falcon Swing Trader, which we're currently looking at right here. And you're going to notice we've got these little dots, these little triangles, and these little hash marks right here. Buy warning dots, long entry triangles, as well as long entry hash marks. The entry is clearly defined at the hash mark, and in this case here, the entry is at 40, 50 and a half. For the more surgical entry with the tighter stop, here we have got the DTS Hawk. And once again, you're going to notice the same visual signals, as well as there is an audible signal that goes with the Hawk, the Falcon, and the Eagle as well. All three components of DTS are not only driven by a time-proven algorithm, but they are also driven by the mean Renko bar. Raptor provides an on-the-fly analytic capability via filters and alerts, just like we see here on DTS. The big difference is we were actually able to pull this one off, and we can do it on one chart. We designed it to take all the power of DTS, the Eagle, the Falcon, and the Hawk, and seamlessly integrate it into one easy-to-use dashboard. Raptor simplifies complex market data and provides users with an at-a-glance awareness of current market conditions. So what is that in a nutshell? We've got our cornerstone chart, our Eagle, and our Eagle band right here to tell us what side of the trade to be on. We have got our Falcon with our strongest signals available today. And we've also got our Hawk for bar coloration and minute market conditions for that ultimate surgical entry and the tightest stop we can possibly achieve. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's get started. Let me dive into the Raptor. For this demonstration, I'm going to use today's just awesome lunchtime move that took place right here. Just a beautiful move to the upside. Picture perfect uptrending market. So what are the real benefits of having all this information on one particular chart? Let me go ahead and let me show you. Regardless of whether I'm trading the Eagle, the Falcon, or the Hawk, every decision that I'm going to be making is going to be based on what I see here on my Eagle Trend Trader. So, in this case, from what I see, I'm looking at either taking a long on my Falcon, if it should so present itself, or maybe I'll be looking at taking a long on my Hawk. Regardless, as I mentioned earlier, for the professional trader, it's no problem to use 3 separate charts for one separate instrument. As a matter of fact, it's common practice. However, with the Raptor, we've changed all that. So what we've done with Raptor is this. Here is my Eagle band that you're seeing right here. The Eagle band reflects exactly what we would see on a 12-tick mean Renko chart for the Eagle Trend Trader for DTS. That information is all right here. We've also maintained the Eagle filter, which we're seeing right here. So already I've got all my information of what my Eagle would be telling me right in front of me right here on one chart. As I mentioned, we're using the Falcon signal, which is one of the strongest, most reliable entries that DTS has to offer. The next thing that we want to take a look at is we're going to look at our bar coloring right here. For that surgical entry, for that direction performance, the color of the bars is being powered by the Hawk bar. Essentially what we've done is we have taken all 3 of the key components of diversified trading systems and we've combined them here on one chart with the same easy to spot signals, the same audible alerts to help you make a quicker, faster, better day trading decision. And we also have, rather than looking at multiple filters and multiple oscillators, we've got one filter based on 3 different algorithms that this might be the trade that we want to take. Well, all right. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Please join me in my trading room on a daily basis, 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks and have a great day.